day for a ride in my brother. And it's a nice day for a ride in my brother's car.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
What's up? What's up?
The car has a lot more power than the last time you drove it.
Laurent, I'm just gonna get a coffee. It'll be fine, thanks.
All right.
Oh my god, this Alright, he may be right. He did a little bit of software since the last time we drove around, and well, let's just say it has Burger Stage 1, and that's made it a bit of an animal. I have to admit, the M4 wasn't exactly a slouch to start with. I know everyone's done their M4 video and everyone has an opinion about it, but this is very unique because, well, just like many M owners, my brother is stupid enough to modify it, or maybe genius enough, because not only was the car a savage before, it is now an absolute savage. The tail is all over the place. Oh my god, it is scary to drive. It's challenging, and that's very unpredictable for, I guess, a German modern car now. I mean, obviously everyone goes on about how every single car has every aid, and you know what, this no longer has hydraulic steering, so that's one thing for everyone to complain about. But the steering obviously has options to make it firm. The transmission you can make even more ruthless, and there's a little M button in this car that, well, makes it an absolute savage. You don't have like a ton of security, to be honest with you, when you're driving it. Going through! Jesus Christ. Come on, I'm trying to film a bloody video. Hopefully I don't run any children over. Oh god, let's terrorize this school bus. Jesus. I don't know if it's coming off on camera, but this thing is all over the god. I've lost my phone. I've lost my phone. What an absolute monster. I mean, that's the crazy thing about these cars. Now with the introduction of the turbocharger, the 335 doesn't get all the fun. Now, as everyone knows, the M4 is already a pretty viciously fast car. I mean, that's what it's supposed to be. The M badge comes, well, with a lot of reputation. And this is no different. The new M4 is absolutely savage. The transmission is so much better and it's a little bit more powerful, but altogether that modern package makes the car feel a lot faster than the E92. But my brother, as I said, has a bit of a modding problem, as some of us do, and well, I think most of it is under the hood. We have reached a new era of cars. No longer is anything naturally aspirated, unfortunately. Now we have turbochargers, but there is a positive. You see, it makes modifying a hell of a lot cheaper for the horsepower. In the past, seeing an M car with a non-NA engine would have been sacrilege, but now, well, all of our friends are very happy because, as you know, the community of anyone who owns an M car or BMW in general, well, they love to mod. And it's no different with my brother. He has dual cones on here, which add about 10 to 15 horsepower. Don't quote me or kill me if I'm wrong, but it definitely helps with the flow, especially when you have a turbocharger. It only amplifies it because turbos love air. In addition to that, he's got the Burger Motorsports Stage 1 software, which is what he's done to make it as insane as it is. That adds about 60 horsepower, and that makes him close to 500, which is berserk in an M car. I mean, think of that. That's outrageous, especially because it's actually dualed with this amazing transmission. So my brother's a bit of a lunatic, and he's made this car, well, crazy. But I like it, it's fun. Wait, didn't I need to get a coffee?
Well, what'd you think?
I don't know, man, that shit was crazy, okay?
You want to take it to lunch?
No, let's just take my car.